If you're thinking about upgrading your floors in 2025, you've probably asked yourself this question: luxury vinyl plank or SPC, which one is really worth it? They both look amazing, both claim to be waterproof, scratch-resistant, and long-lasting. But which one will actually hold up in your home? Which one will save you money, headaches, and a complete redo in a few years? Today, I'm breaking it all down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which flooring fits your home, your lifestyle, and your budget, and how Flooring Dubai can make it effortless. What is luxury vinyl plank, LVP? Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, is vinyl flooring that mimics the look of real wood or stone perfectly. It has multiple layers, a printed design layer that gives it realistic textures, and a protective wear layer that keeps it safe from scratches, stains, and everyday wear. Its flexible core gives it a soft, warm feel underfoot, making it perfect for bedrooms and living areas. What is SPC flooring? SPC stands for Stone Plastic Composite. It has a rigid, dense core made of limestone powder and PVC, making it extremely stable and durable. SPC is fully waterproof, resists dents, and doesn't warp with temperature changes. If you want a floor that lasts decades in high-traffic areas or wet rooms, SPC is usually the smarter choice. Durability and lifespan. When it comes to heavy traffic and long-term durability, SPC takes the lead. Its dense core resists impacts and heavy furniture, while LVP, being flexible, can dent or bend under extreme pressure. If you have kids, pets, or high-traffic spaces, SPC gives you peace of mind. Comfort and feel. LVP feels softer underfoot, which makes it great for rooms where you walk barefoot or spend a lot of time standing. SPC is firmer, but most SPC floors include an underlayment to cushion every step. If comfort and warmth are important, LVP might feel more natural. Water resistance and climate stability. Both LVP and SPC are water resistant. But SPC is usually more waterproof, ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. SPC's rigid core also makes it highly stable in changing temperatures, whereas LVP can be slightly affected over time. Installation and subfloor. LVP is more forgiving if your subfloor isn't perfect. Its flexibility makes it easier to install over minor imperfections. SPC needs a completely flat and level subfloor. Any bumps or dips can show through. Both options usually use click-lock systems for quick installation, but SPC requires precise preparation. Cost and value. SPC is usually a bit more expensive upfront, but its durability and stability make it a better long-term investment. LVP is budget-friendly, especially in dry, low-traffic areas, giving a great balance between style and cost. Style and design. Both LVP and SPC come in a wide range of wood, stone, and tile designs. LVP may have slightly more variety because of its flexible core, but SPC still offers premium, highly realistic textures that can elevate any space. Which one is right for you? Choose LVP if you want a soft, cushioned feel underfoot. Comfort is your priority in bedrooms or living rooms. Your subfloor is slightly uneven. You want to save a little on upfront cost. Choose SPC if durability is your top priority. You need maximum waterproofing. You're installing in high-traffic or moisture-prone area. You're willing to invest a bit more for a long-lasting floor. How Flooring Dubai can help. At Flooring Dubai, we have a wide selection of both LVP and SPC, from budget-friendly to ultra-premium. Our experts will help you choose the right type for your home. Check and prepare your subfloor for a perfect installation. Provide samples so you can feel the texture before committing. Install your floor with warranty-backed precision. With Flooring Dubai, your floor won't just look amazing, it will stay amazing for years. Luxury vinyl plank or SPC, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your lifestyle, wear,